Get paid $5 every minute for simply using your fingers to comment. Now before we jump into the exact strategy on how to earn $5 every single minute, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and that little notification bell next to it, so I can alert you on the latest ways of making money online. And for those of you guys, I know that you wanna make a change in your life. You're gonna quit your job, you're gonna provide to your loved one, to your family. So I'm gonna show you my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. Click on the first link down in the video description. I will share you all the details on the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at how some people are earning thousands of dollars from this simple website, earning $5 every single minute. As you can see, you can earn from anywhere in the world. This person's from the US, this person's from Romania, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Romania, Bangladesh, Bulgaria, United Arab Emirates, Canada, Serbia, India, and the Philippines. So tons of different countries, tons of different people here earning 20,000, 14,000, 12,000, 5,000. You know, anywhere from 2,000 upwards of $20,000 here on this simple platform from simply commenting on different websites, different social media platforms. So all you need is the internet and fingers to comment. So let's go ahead and reveal the actual site. What is this site? How does it work? How do you get paid? And then if you stay until the end, I'm going to show you an even better website that's very similar, that will pay you even more. So let's go ahead. Now the site is called Micro Workers. So what is Micro Workers? It was founded in 2010 by Not the New In. It is a crowdsourcing platform that matches workers to employers who have small online tasks that need to be completed. So there's businesses out there that need engagement on their websites, engagement on their social media, right? And they're willing to pay you to comment and go check out their social media. And website takes you literally 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds to do. So the question is, you know, how much are you gonna get paid? You saw some proof over there. There was people getting paid thousands of dollars, but what's realistic for you? Okay, so how much money can you make by using Micro Workers? $10 per hour. Now that's close to minimum wage for not even trying. And you get to work from the comfort of your home. But if you actually try and you know more jobs, which I'm about to show you. I'm gonna show you the highest paying jobs on the site. You can earn upwards of $20, $30, $40, $50, even $100 per hour by simply doing these tasks. So let's go ahead and go on to Micro Workers, and I'm gonna show you right here. There are people that are paying anywhere from 10 cents upwards of $1 for simply following and commenting on their Twitter. Okay, so how long does that take? Well, if you have the Twitter app, you literally just log in, type follow the person, comment something, at least 5 words or so, right? That's gonna take you maybe 10 to 15 seconds and you will get your payment. Okay, and the average payment is around 50 cents. So this is one way that you could start earning, but there's also another site. I'm going to show you another site right here now. This site is called rapidworkers.com. This is a very similar site to Micro Workers. Now my coworkers is definitely, it's getting a little crowded. Okay, I would create a profile on there. But you're gonna want to explore new sites that are very similar to where you can get the job first. It's not as big as Micro Workers, but there's hundreds of thousands of tasks that you can get paid anywhere from 50 cents to $1 for every single task. So you can see how easy it is to earn $5 per minute. Now the bad thing about these sites is that you're continuously doing tasks. You're continuously on your phone, on your computer, and you're never learning how to make money. I know that sounds kind of impossible, right? Oh, how do you earn money while not working? But here's the kicker. These earning alright are like a part-time job getting paid minimum wage. Alright, you're gonna start earning money. In 2009, I was doing fast food parcel job. It was great, I didn't know any better, that was the most money I've ever received. Because it was my first. But as time goes on, you realize that your time is being undervalued. And you could probably relate with this. They are repaying you the minimum payment that they can. Okay, that was me here. I knew I wasn't gonna achieve financial freedom. I drop out college for failed continuously. My family was fallen in debt in 2010. I was tried for get some handful money. I looked in online tutorial, I implemented those. But failed every time. In 10 years online journey, now in 2020 you look my live income. That's crazy like. Yes, now I have financial freedom, small but beautiful house. No debt in my family. Oh, no, I am not getting any treasure. I meet people all the time who are discouraged and overwhelmed by life. You've probably met people like this, too. Trying circumstances have disappointed them, and they feel like giving up. If you are not living the ideal life, it is time for a change. Yes, if you click the first link down below this video, you're gonna get 3 types of freedom. Money freedom, time freedom, geo freedom. Looking at my phone notifications going of $1,000. Here $1,000. They're landing in my bank account. You're gonna find out exactly how I was able to do that by clicking the link down below this video. This action can unlocks the secrets to your future $9,259.74 per month. Because I am about to reveal every secret from my success. The freedom to live anywhere does not need to be exotic. Maybe you just want to live on the other side of your city. The problem is the commute is a pain in the ass. Now you can live wherever you want. Whether that's an Indonesian beach, or a comfortable house outside the city. You choose. I know you've been burned before. We all have. So you're gonna get all of that down below in the first link. Below this video, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, comment, and go ahead and watch this playlist. I've included right here, on all the ways on how to make money online. Take care you.